Sometimes people have the wrong. So if you know what doesn't work over and over again, your story keeps you from finding the strategy. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes people have the wrong strategy for being fit and healthy. I remember it was 15 years ago. Wrong. Sometimes people have the wrong strategy for being fit and healthy. I remember it was 15 years ago. On the cover of Time magazine, they said, I think it was 14% of Americans were on the Atkins diet, where you ate just massive amounts of protein, you had a pea on a stick. I mean, it doesn't take too long to figure out that if you got a pea on a stick and your breath is going to smell that bad, this...
Yun yung mga sinasabi nilang preventable collision. Pwede mo namang i-avoid or could have been avoided by not going through the red light. So, ingat-ingat po tayo at alam niyo na sa mga ganung sitwasyon, huwag niyong ibit ang red light.